Winter brings short days, fluctuating cold temperatures, low humidity, and limited sunlight, making it tough for indoor plants to grow. Here are some essential steps that you can take to keep houseplants alive in winter. 1. Track sunlight. Place your plants at the sunniest spot of your home. Also, rotate them periodically so that all sides get sun rays and grow evenly. Putting your houseplants on an east-facing window helps them get bright yet gentle morning sun. Similarly, the south or west-facing window receives more sun. Hence, you can also position your plants there. 2. Modify your watering schedule. Reduce watering in winter as plants don't grow rapidly in low temperatures. Also, a few plants go dormant completely, and excess water in a phase of dormancy can be very dangerous for the plants, causing root rot. Thus, follow an infrequent watering schedule to keep the plants well hydrated. 3. Raise humidity. Humidity drops to around 10% in winters, whereas the plants need between 40 to 50%. You can maintain the humidity by placing a humidifier close to your plants, or else you can try putting your plants in a bowl filled with water and pebbles. Misting is also an option to maintain the moisture, but this may not work that well. 4. Get rid of pests. Pests and bugs hibernate in winter and seek warmth and shelter indoors. The first preventive measure is to check the leaves, especially the undersides, and the soil once a week. If you notice sticky spots on the foliage, then it's an indication of a pest infestation. 5. Skip fertilizer. Winter is a resting period for many plants, and they go dormant and barely grow in colder climates. So, stop the use of fertilizer till early spring. 6. Wiping the foliage. To avoid dust accumulation on leaves, make a schedule to wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth regularly. For small plants, spray water on their leaves and wipe with a cotton cloth. 7. Maintain the temperature. When you bring plants indoors in winter, try to provide warmth. Above 50 degrees Fahrenheit is fine. The ideal daytime temperature for your plants ranges between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and the night temperature of 55 to 65. Keep your plants safe from temperatures below 50 degrees as it can harm them. 8. Remove plants from the windowsill at night. During the day, plants on the windowsill and shelves remain warm, but at nighttime, the darkness of the dusk and cold draft can do damage. So, if you live in a really cold climate, change the position of your indoor plants in the evening if they're close to windows and doors. 9. Cover pots in bubble wrap. One of the cheapest and most potent ways to keep your plants safe from harsh winters is to cover them with a layer of bubble wrap. The extra layer of plastic around the foliage with the bubbles will help insulate the plants from the outside temperature, thereby helping them to keep warm. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.